What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Yoshi from Mario Kart. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his snout, so I'm gonna draw a circle. Now at that corner, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And at the bottom right corner of that oval, I'm gonna extend it out with a curved line to the right. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up right there and curve it slightly out at the top portion. And for the lower line of his mouth, I'm going to extend this line of the oval with a curved line to the side right there. And inside of the mouth, I'm gonna add a curved line for his tongue. And on the top left corner of that oval, I'm gonna draw a curved line up to the side of his eye, and then I'm gonna draw another curved line to the top of his eye and make a semicircle turn right there. And then from the middle of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the base and up. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the top and to the left side of his eye. And at the base, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards his snout right there. Inside of the eye, on the left corner, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw in the top portion a circle, and in the middle I'm gonna draw a black oval. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the right eye. So we're gonna draw a portion of the eye at this corner right here. And the same goes to the upper part of the eye. In front of his snout, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at that corner and another one at the side. And behind his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and turn it down to the side of his face, and another one at the bottom corner right here out and turn it back to the cheek. And then below his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the neck, and for the front part, from this point, a curved line down all the way to his shoes. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw his arms with a curved line out and make a turn at the elbow. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn for the corner of his hand and turn it back down. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw the other finger with the same shape and another one right there. And I'm gonna curl this side right there. Now for his thumb, I'm gonna draw from this point a semicircle point and extend it all the way to the side of his wrist. And then I'm gonna draw the inner line of the arm, a similar shape for the outer line, with the outer line right there. And at this corner, I'm gonna make a semicircular turn and extend it downwards to his back. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at that corner and turn it with a curved line back up. And behind that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. And at the bottom point right here, I'm gonna draw his tail with a curved line out and a semicircle turn back down and to the front right there. Now for his legs, I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a curved line to the right and turn it downwards. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front and a semicircle turn at the tip of the shoe and down. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw the top part of the shoe with a curved line to the left and slightly downwards. And at that corner, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a similar line across to the heels. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the point and extend it all the way to the front of the shoes. And at this point, I'm going to draw a semicircle line back to the left and turn it downwards at the middle and go back up at the heels. And I'm gonna trace that line slightly above it across. And above the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner right here. And then across his body from his neck, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down to the leg right there. And it's gonna continue all the way to the back to the tails. And for the other leg, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line to the left and down, and a curved line for the top of the shoes, a semicircle line on both sides, and a curved line across again at that point. Now for the tip of this shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and at the back I'm gonna add another curved line, and I'm gonna draw across a wavy line to the front of the shoes, and we're gonna trace the same line across slightly above. Now for the other arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and I'm gonna turn it upwards on this side and semicircle at the side of the finger and turn it in and curl it for the thumb. For the outer line, I'm gonna draw a line out and a semicircle turn at the elbow and out, and extend it with a curved line out, and I'm gonna make a turn in and curl it again at the tip and curl it again at that point. And now I'm gonna add a short line at that corner and another one right there, and I'm gonna repeat the same shape of the finger across at this point right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.